Pagiging flight risk naman ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada, mariing itinanggi ang motion para bawiin ng korte ang inisyong precautionary hold departure order inihain. Kumuha po tayo ng buong detalye dyan sa pag-ulat ni Bombo Grant Hilario.
Mariing itinanggi ng kampo ni Senador Jinggoy Estrada ang pagiging flight risk nito na siyang dahilan para hindi pahintulutan ng korte makalabas ng bansa. Ayon sa kanyang abogado at tagapagsalita na sa attorney Bianca Soriano, haharapin naman raw ng mambabatas ang mga reklamong kinakaharap. Kung kaya't anyay, hindi may tuturing bilang flight risk o may tangkang tumakas ang senador, papalabas ng bansa para iwasan ang mga reklamong isinampal laban sa kanya. Giyet pa ng abogado na mapagbabasehan dito ang patuloy na pakikipag-ugnayan at pagpapaalam ni Senador Jinggoy sa Sandigan Bayan sa tuwing may biyahe ito paalis ng Pilipinas. Kinumpirma din niya ang paghahain ng motion sa Manila Regional Trial Court Branch 52 upang iparekonsidera at bawiin ng korte ang inisyu nitong PHDO o Precautionary Hold Departure Order.
Yes, we filed the omnibus motion to first reconsider the issuance of the PHDO and then second for the lifting of the PHDO. So yesterday it was filed already before our decision. It should be lifted because the rules require that there should be probable cause and second that the respondent is at flight risk. So you already attacked the evidentiary nature that there is no probable cause. Same with your counter arguments here in the counter affidavit. And then second, that respondent Senator Jinggoy Estrada is not at flight risk. As we've seen in Sandigan Bayan, he has been complying with the necessary requirements for him to be able to travel.
Ibinahagi pa ni Attorney Soriano na makatitiyak naman umano pati ang publiko na haharapin ni Senador Jinggoy Estrada at hindi tatakasan ang mga reklamo.
So, as mentioned, diba, dun sa Sandigan Bayan, he has been complying with his travel requirements even when it was lifted and he was given the authority to travel, he would comply when he gets back. So there's really no risk for him to escape all of this mess.
Habang binigyan din ng abogado na ang reklamong kinakarap ng senador ay kasalukuyang nasa preliminary investigation stage pa lamang. Kasamaan niya ito sa argumento ng kanilang kampo at sinabing nagpapatuloy pang investigasyon upang matukoy ng prosekusyon kung iaakyat bilang kaso sa korte.
Yes. Yeah. Yun yung argument also that the case is still undergoing investigation before the DOJ. Thus, it will still be the DOJ or the investigating authority who would determine if there is probable cause to charge Senator Jinggoy.
Nahaharap sa reklamong plunder, direct at indirect bribery si Senador Jinggoy Estrada sa Department of Justice kaugnay sa manumalyang flood control projects sa Bulacan. Para sa Bombo Network News, ito si Bombo Grant Hilario and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.